Intro. Engaging opening. Scene. Dynamic shots of the Honda CRF300L riding through dirt trails, splashing through mud, and cruising on the highway. Narrator. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, FR AutoMoto. If you're looking for a motorcycle that can handle both the streets and the dirt with equal ease, then you're in for a treat. Meet the Honda CRF300L, a lightweight, versatile dual sport bike that's built to conquer both on-road and off-road terrains. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at this machine, breaking down every feature, performance aspect, and seeing if it truly lives up to the hype. Let's dive in. Design and build. Scene. Close-up shots of the bike's design, showing its slim profile, high ground clearance, and aggressive styling. Narrator. Honda has kept the CRF300L's design rugged yet lightweight. Weighing in at just 306 pounds, 139 kg, this bike is easy to handle, making it ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike. The high front fender, long travel suspension, and a seat height of 34.7 inches give it that iconic off-road ready stance. The slim fuel tank, combined with its narrow bodywork, allows for better rider maneuverability, making it perfect for navigating tricky trails. The frame is built with a lightweight steel structure that offers excellent rigidity while keeping the weight down, ensuring nimbleness in tight off-road sections and confidence on the streets. The semi-double cradle frame provides a great balance between strength and flexibility, absorbing shocks and vibrations effectively. This ensures a smoother ride even on rough terrain. The rear subframe is strong enough to support additional luggage, making it a viable option for long-distance adventure rides. The bike's red, white, and black color scheme, inspired by Honda's motocross lineup, gives it a sharp, aggressive look that screams adventure. The minimalistic bodywork reduces unnecessary bulk while maintaining a tough, rally-inspired aesthetic. The plastic components are designed to be durable yet lightweight, capable of withstanding the harsh elements of off-road riding. Asterisk. Engine and performance. Scene. Shots of the engine, followed by footage of the bike accelerating on trails and highways. Narrator. Under the hood, or should I say, under the frame, we have a 286cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, producing 27 horsepower and 19.6 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers might not sound massive, this bike is all about usable power. The engine delivers smooth, predictable performance, with enough grunt to tackle steep inclines and enough efficiency for long commutes. Honda has fine-tuned the fuel injection system to provide crisp throttle response, making the CRF300L easy to control, whether you're creeping through traffic or blasting through an open dirt trail. The single-cylinder engine also ensures a linear power band, meaning there are no sudden jerks or power spikes, just smooth and manageable acceleration. The 76mm bore and 63mm stroke create a well-balanced power delivery, making it ideal for both novice and experienced riders. The 6-speed gearbox offers versatility, allowing riders to cruise at highway speeds while still retaining enough torque for technical off-road sections. The gear ratios have been optimized to provide a lower first gear for better traction on steep climbs and a taller sixth gear for efficient cruising. The addition of an assist and slipper clutch reduces clutch lever effort and minimizes rear wheel chatter during aggressive downshifting, ensuring a smoother ride in both urban and off-road settings. Asterisk. Suspension and handling. Scene. Footage of the CRF300L gliding over rocky terrain and maneuvering through city streets. Narrator. The real magic of the CRF300L is in its suspension. The Showa 43mm upside-down front forks offer 10.2 inches of travel, while the Pro Link rear suspension provides excellent damping, making it perfect for absorbing bumps, jumps, and rough trails. The balance between off-road capability and on-road comfort is remarkable. The front forks have a well-calibrated spring rate and damping settings that soak up rough terrain without feeling too soft or too stiff. The rear shock is adjustable for preload, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup based on their weight and riding conditions. The ground clearance of 11.2 inches ensures that obstacles like rocks and logs are tackled with ease. The lightweight chassis ensures that handling is crisp and precise, allowing the rider to confidently take on sharp turns or uneven terrain. The bike's slim profile allows for easy weight shifting, making technical sections easier to navigate. Even on the pavement, The suspension setup prevents excessive dive under braking, keeping the ride stable and composed. Asterisk. Brakes and wheels. Scene. Close-up of the front and rear brakes in action. Narrator. Braking performance is crucial for both off-road and on-road riding. The CRF300L is equipped with a 256mm front disc brake with a twin-piston caliper and a 220mm rear disc with a single-piston caliper. The braking system provides strong and consistent stopping power, whether on loose gravel or paved roads. ABS is available as an option, allowing riders to switch off the rear ABS for improved off-road control. The bike rides on a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, a classic dual sport setup that enhances off-road capabilities. These larger wheels allow the bike to roll over obstacles with greater ease and provide better stability on uneven surfaces. The IRC Trails GP tires offer decent traction on dirt while maintaining reasonable grip on asphalt, though more aggressive off-road riders might prefer swapping them for knobby tires. Asterisk. Final verdict. Scene. Closing shots of the CRF300L in action, with scenic views. Narrator. So, is the Honda CRF300L worth it? Absolutely. It's an incredible value for anyone looking for a do-it-all motorcycle. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first dual sport bike or an experienced rider wanting a lightweight adventure machine, the CRF300L delivers. With Honda's legendary reliability, a well-balanced chassis, and just enough power for real-world use, this bike is hard to beat. What do you think about the Honda CRF300L? Would you take it for a ride? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Until next time, ride safe and keep the adventure alive. Outro music and logo animation. I've added even more details, covering additional aspects like the subframe, bore and stroke, braking system, and wheel setup. Let me know if you need further refinements or additions.